Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. It's 2026 and the shift to energy independence has never been more critical for American homeowners and off-grid enthusiasts. But your solar panels are only as good as the brain behind them. Today we're breaking down the top 5 MPPT solar charge controllers that are dominating the market this year. You know, whether you're powering a weekend RV or a full-scale homestead, these are the deals you can't afford to miss. Starting our list at number 5 is the PowMr 140 amps, 48 volts. This isn't just a controller, it's a beast for large-scale systems. With a staggering max PV input of 500 volts, it allows you to wire your panels in long series strings, reducing cable costs and maximizing efficiency. It's designed specifically for 48 volt lead acid and lithium systems. This is the go-to for those who don't want to compromise on raw power. If you're building a permanent off-grid residence, the 140 amp capacity ensures you're ready for the heaviest loads. At number 4, we have a name synonymous with reliability, the EPEVER 40 ampere MPPT. This 12 and 24 volt regulator is perfect for the mobile lifestyle. And what sets this deal apart is the included MT52 data monitor. In 2026, data is king. The MT52 gives you real-time visibility into your solar harvest without having to crawl into your storage bay. With a 100 volt max PV input, it's the ideal companion for van lifers and weekend warriors who need a set it and forget it solution. Coming in at number 3 is the Wi-Fi enabled dual USB MPPT series, available in the 20 to 60 amp configurations. This is the most connected controller on our list. In a world where everything is on your phone, so this unit brings your solar array to your fingertips, and it features dual USB ports for direct device charging and a crystal clear LCD display. And it's versatile, supports 12 and 24 volt auto detection, and is the perfect entry point for tech-savvy DIYers looking to modernize their backup power. Our runner-up is the PowMr 60A Backlight Edition. This is the Swiss Army knife of controllers. Why? Because it supports 12, 24, 36 and 48 volt systems automatically. Whether you are using vintage NX cells or the latest solar lithium cells, this controller adapts. So the high definition backlight display makes it easy to check your stats in dark basements or sheds. It's a rugged all-in-one regulator that has become a staple in the US market for its durability and wide compatibility. And finally, the number 1 spot for 2026 goes to the PowMr 80 amps / 100 amps parallel series. This is the pinnacle of scalability. Not only does it handle up to 160 volts of PV input, but its killer feature is the ability to support up to 12 units in parallel. This means your system can grow as your needs do, from a single cabin to a full-scale farm operation. And with 100 amps of charging power per unit, it's designed for the most demanding American energy profiles. It's efficient, it's massive, and it's our top pick for the year. The future is solar, and these 5 controllers are the keys to unlocking it. You can find links to all these products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a breakthrough in energy tech. Thanks for watching, and stay powered up.